Hi and welcome in today's new video. Today I'm willing to share my zucchini flatbread recipe with two main ingredients plus the cheese. So let's say it's three ingredients you need for this quick and easy recipe. I hope you guys gonna like and subscribe. So let's start for this quick and easy recipe. So for this recipe we need two main ingredients. So we got zucchinis, 2 eggs, and some cheese. And then after the toppings is topping of your choice, and I will show you what I will top mine with. Let's start. Before I start, I preheat my oven at 400 Fahrenheit. Now I'm cutting up my zucchini. I cut them quite big because they will go into my food processor, so I don't need to cut them perfectly. Now I put them in my food processor. I'm gonna blend them, but I just want them to be crunchy. I don't want them to be all smooth or liquidy. I still want the big chunks of zucchini. Once I'm done blending them, I put them in a big bowl. As you can see, we still have some big chunks of zucchini. They're not fully blended. Then it's time to crack my 2 eggs. So I'm adding my eggs. I mix everything well to combine the eggs and my zucchini. I'm adding salt and pepper. And I mix everything well once again. In a plate with some parchment paper, I pour over the zucchini and eggs mixed. I make sure they evenly, and then they're going in the oven at 400 for 15 minutes. Now it's time to make my toppings. So I'm chopping some onions. I'm having some turkey breast oven roasted like deli meats, so I'm gonna cut that as well. And I also add some goat cheese. I love goat cheese on pizza. It really gives a yummy flavor. So here is my toppings that I'm adding on my flatbread once it will be cooked. I remove my flatbread from the oven and use just like this. The edges are a little bit brown, so this is the consistency that we want. Now I'm adding my toppings. I add my mozzarella cheese, the onions, the turkey, and of course I finish with my goat cheese on top. I add some Italian seasonings, and here is the final result. It's going back in the oven for 10 more minutes, just the time for the cheese to melt. And after 10 minutes in the oven, this is how it looks like. The cheese is melted, and the time to enjoy this yummy flatbread. This is the end of this quick and easy recipe, the zucchini flatbread. I hope you guys enjoy watching it, and thank you again for watching my videos. I hope you're gonna make that recipe at home. Everything that I use will be on the description box below, so don't forget to go check. Everything is on it. I also get my coaching link if you guys need more help. I also get all my ebooks available, and also my free guide to teach you guys how to build a healthy plate. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again for a next video. Bye.